Welcome to the FEMAP 10.2 What's New video series. In this video we'll be looking at the new Meshing Toolbox geometry editing tools. The unique features of FEMAP's Meshing Toolbox are that all of the tools are interactive and can be used interoperably, which makes the process of preparing and creating the finite element model much faster and easier. Here we'll look at the geometry editing toolbox and see how it can be used with some of the other tools to modify and improve the finite element model. The geometry editing tool in the Meshing Toolbox includes a surface splitting capability designed to help prepare and organize geometry to improve the finite element mesh. In this example, we'll split a couple of the surfaces to make a better arrangement for the mesh. The resulting mesh updates automatically when the underlying geometry is modified. While preparing the model, you can also use tools in the Meshing Toolbox in combination, and here we're now using the composite curve capability to clean up the model further by eliminating multiple curves on the edge of a surface. Then, in the Mesh Sizing toolbox, we'll change some of the edge mesh sizes to improve the mesh on a couple of the surfaces, allowing a mapped mesh to be created comprising more regularly shaped elements. The ability to extend surfaces is now part of the geometry editing tool, and we can review this capability by looking at a typical weldment model. All the components are actually separate individual parts that do not connect, and that are intended to be seam welded together. FEMAP can connect these separate parts together easily, even after meshing. Using the Meshing Toolbox geometry editing tool, the frame components and gussets can be connected together into a contiguous finite element model. The surfaces of the separate components are extended to meet the adjacent solid part to which it would be welded in reality. In the process of connecting the surfaces up in this way, the overlaying mesh of the extended part is automatically updated and connected to the mesh of the connecting part. As a result, all gaps between the components are eliminated, creating a continuous finite element mesh for the whole model. The pad and washer features that can be used to place well-shaped elements around stress razors such as holes are now included in the geometry editing toolbox. This allows them to be applied to a meshed model interactively as part of the model preparation process. Again, the mesh updates automatically when the pad or washer is applied. To learn more, visit us at FEMAP.com or call your local FEMAP channel partner.